Today we're back on another Farm Life video. This time, last time you guys voted, if I get 8 million subscribers, I'll show you guys the animals. This time, my cousin Ian is behind the camera. I'm talking. If you come down here, you have this, the pole barn. Sometimes you have a scrap. Sometimes you have neighbors and other neighbors down there. You need a trailer and a tractor. You'll have point trouble. You will have a goat usually. You have to have trucks to pull on. Down here you come. We'll go and see faster. I don't have one. This is our pasture. We let animals go free here. If I come over here, you guys know what a watering hole is? Because if you don't, right here's one. We take this in every single thing, every single body that we find of cows and stuff, go in here. If you come over here, I'll go in the barn for you guys. Baseball bat up. Chicken. Go. Yeah. Eggs. Yeah, here's my goat. Billy goat. It's called a billy goat.
And then over here we have some cows.
Right here we have some eggs.
Yeah, right here's eggs. Right there.
For a rat.
Okay, let's go on.
Make it pissed off. I'll come out and buy this later. Well, and I want to tell you guys one more thing. You guys will usually have, you guys will usually have a fun time farm life, okay? Stop recording.